So what you decided to do is that you will consider that the mind mapping, the concept mapping is an activity to uh, to put your thoughts, to put your plan on the paper, right? Mind make, for example, you are supposed to come and talk about let's suppose COVID-19, like COVID-19 pandemic, for 5 minutes on the stage. What are you doing? What will you do? Right, for example, I have given you a task to come on the stage and talk for 5 minutes on COVID-19 pandemic, right? So how would you plan this 5 minutes discussion? You will tell your mind that I will start from what is COVID, then I will start, and then I will switch to what are the impact of COVID happened on our country, then I will switch to what are the impact on our individual crowd who is sitting in front of you, and then I will talk to how can we cope up with this particular situation. So what did you do? You mind mapped your 5 minutes discussion into five various points. अगर ये दिमाग में क्लियर है कि मुझे इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट पे जाना है, फिर इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट पे जाना है, फिर वहां से यहाँ जाना है, so you will never cut on your flow, you will never cut on your thoughts, right? And you, it will be easy for you to remember, recall and study the thing. So mind mapping is, concept mapping is nothing but picturizing your concept on a paper, right? Putting your concept on a paper, putting your thought process on the paper, putting your understanding in terms of diagram on a paper. That will help you to understand the concept, right? Concept indicates that what are the key points, key indicators, key terms of your research.
सर
Research,
सेल्फ मैपिंग भी कह सकते हैं ना?
it's a mind mapping. You can call it like thought process mapping, self mapping भी बोल सकते हो, self mapping, but self mapping is like
इंफॉर्मेशन का हेल्प तो ले नहीं रहे हैं.
सेल्फ मैपिंग थोड़ा सा वेग वर्ड रहेगा, राइट?
यस सर, प्रोनाउंसिएशन.
This will be very subjective and can be changed according to the scenarios to scenarios. So when you talk about research, that is concept mapping, mind mapping. Actually, mind mapping भी बहुत subjective है, but mind mapping about your research we can call it. So it's called as the concept mapping, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमको research concept छोड़ के दूसरा कुछ consider नहीं करना है. We only talk about the concept of research here. That's the thing. It is called as concept mapping, not any other word. Mind mapping, I have given you example how you organize thought about particular activity. Similarly, how you organize your research study in few major tasks that you are going to put here in terms of the pictorial representation on the paper, and this will be called as the concept study, right? And then understand what are the subtopics. You may be making the checklist of subtopics that you need to consider for that study. For example, if you wanted to study entire concept of what is the magnet and what is its utility for human being, then check out this subtopic, right? Whether it is used, sub magnet के subtopics क्या हो सकते हैं? About magnetism, where is the magnetism used? Then about poles, south pole, north pole. Then subtopics of its relevance to the earth also. Earth also is a kind of magnet which has two different poles moving around the sun. So principles, right? Magnetism ka principle, what is its relevance? Then yeah, magnetism in the world, right? Magnets in the world, various planets are nothing but the kind of magnets which has a similar, which has the appropriate force of magnetism working among each other. So list out the different other aspects and subtopics that you can consider for your main research study, right? When we talk about magnet and its utility and magnetism concept for human being, we need to consider these points also. So पहले पिक्चरल रिप्रेजेंट करो, फिर कॉन्सेप्ट मैपिंग करो, फिर सब पॉइंट्स का लिस्ट बनाओ which you will be considering for your research study, and then find out the answers for the questions, find out, then frame few questions to which you are going to get the answers through the research study, and write these questions as like how magnetism helps people, how the magnets are useful, where the magnets can be used. ये सब चीजें आप स्टडी कर सकते हो. This can be the research questions to which you are going to get answers, right? So keep information on computers, help door lock, let doctors see inside bodies. This is magnetism is a principle of X-rays, right? Sonography, X-ray, it is being used in CT scans. So this can be the answers where it is useful. Then maybe projection of sound. You know that every speaker is made of magnet. The sound waves are converted, electronic waves are converted into sound waves by the help of magnet itself. So you can understand where it has been used, what is its use, who is going to use it, what are the scope to use it, what is existing status, what will be the future. These questions can be understood and answered for the study. So picturization of concept, concept mapping, picturization of your research theme, concept mapping of your research, listing out subtopics and making the checklist of subtopics to be considered in your study, and drafting the exact research questions which you are going to answer through your research study. This way you can organize an entire research work that you are going to conduct. Another thing, not necessarily you will use this method only. You have other methods, or you may develop your own methods of organizing research. You may create a dashboards, you may create the charts, you may create the uh, like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, scorecards. You may create a scorecards, right? You may just create an activity, and every day you assign the scores to activities based on which your scorecard will get developed. There can be so many creative things that you can use to organize the research, right? And it depends on the nature of research also. It depends on the kind of studies and scope of the studies you are doing, right? The most common thing in the research which is being used is the checklist, right? You can create a checklist of the activities, you can create a checklist of your tasks to be completed and deadlines of your task, and you will just check whether it has been done according to the plan in terms of completing the activity and in terms of considering that particular timeline for the task, right? This can be the way of organizing your entire research function. समझ में आ रहा है? Right? How would you organize your study? Talk about your summer internship report only. How are you going to organize your summer internship report? So do that way, do this way. What is the concept? What are the major aspect of the concept? Which are the subtopics that you need to consider? For example, if you talk about, let's suppose you are in a company which is into the wealth creation, share market broker firm. Let's suppose, बहुत सारे लोग उसमें, इसलिए एग्जांपल उसी का दे रहा हूँ. You are in a company which is share market broker firm, and you are there for the summer internship, right? Now you have to make the pictorial representation, right? Who you are, what is your company doing, and what are the things associated with you. So you are a student. यहाँ पे you can have a cap of MBA degree, like वो होता है ना, convocation में cap दिया जाता है. तो student, then a share market, stock market का bull, वो जो है ना, वहाँ पे जो है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, या बुली है वो, NSE में लगाया हुआ है मुंबई में, राइट? उसका एक स्टॉक हो सकता है. एंड व्हाट इट impacts, it is like it is giving you analysis reports. Wealth manager, financial analyst का role दे सकता है. These things you can put it here. Then you manage the concept, right? You are into, let's suppose you are into a function of portfolio manager, right? So बीच में लिखो portfolio, you can write here portfolio. Now what are your job roles? Creation of portfolio, management of portfolio, opening the portfolio, right? Keeping customer relations with that portfolio. These are things. Now then you understand what are the subtopics you are considering for your research report. You are going to check the perception of customers for portfolio, or you are going to talk about the financial analysis of different portfolios you have created, or you are going to talk about the opinion of your customers towards their portfolio, for their satisfaction, returns that they are receiving and all. So this can be the subtopics. And then find out your research questions. What are the exact question you want to answer? By selecting these points, इनके बारे में कौन से questions frame करना है वो आपको ढूंढना है. You are getting the point? Yes, no? इतना सारा समझाने के बाद भी एक रिस्पॉन्स देने के लिए प्रॉब्लम है आप लोगों को. How it will work?
No, sir.
Are you getting my point? Any doubt, any question? Mir, Ankita, are you there? Hello. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू। एंड पता नहीं इतना ही प्रॉब्लम था आप लोगों को, तो नहीं आते थे अभी क्लास में तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था। वैसे भी जो आज आ रहा है वो कल नहीं है, जो कल आ रहा है वो परसों नहीं है। सो किसी को कुछ पता
No,
चलने वाला है।
sir.
देयर आर वेरी फ्यू फेसेस आई कैन सी, दे आर कंटिन्यूअसली जॉइनिंग द क्लास।
सॉरी सर, दिन लंच कर रहे थे।
हाँ, नहीं कोई बात नहीं, लंच करो। हमको तो कोई काम ही नहीं है, सब काम इंटर्नशिप वालों को ही है, राइट? फैकल्टी और अदर स्टूडेंट्स
No,
नॉट।
sir.
नहीं नहीं, आई एम
No.
नॉट क्रिटिसाइजिंग यू ऑल, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द अदर साइड by some kind of, I don't want to use the word, but you all are enough smart to understand what I mean. So
सर आप सब कुछ कह लेते हैं फिर बोलते हैं कि मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा था।
वही तो है ना। So still I have not used few things like this can be used very very
Yes,
sarcastic.
yes, sir, we understood.
But I am not doing that. I don't want to discourage you all. So enjoy. जो है उसी के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, जो नहीं है उसके लिए रोने में क्या रखा है जिंदगी। जो लोग नहीं है क्लास में उनके लिए क्यों टेंशन लेने का, जो है उनके
Yes.
लिए एफर्ट्स लेते, राइट? चलो, so I believe you must understood what are the things you need to take care while you are organizing research. Along with this, time, money, manpower, deadlines, outcome, expected outcome, that is something you need to uh, organize, you need to plan. अगर outcome ही पता नहीं है तो किस direction में research करेंगे, that would be very difficult thing. So time, money and manpower, these are three major resources you need to organize. Not necessarily you are doing the research individually, right? Always remember, it is not necessary for you to do the research individually. You may have a special team for data collection. You may have a special team for data analysis. You may have a team for drafting and writing, content writing and all. And you must be there as a market research manager working in some company. That time, how would you organize your research is by this way, right? This has to be there on the wall in front of you in your office, in your cabin, or this should be a chart. This should be a flow chart in the form of flow chart in front of you always. तब आपको पता चला गया कि आपका रिसर्च हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, किस डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है, इसका क्या होने वाला है आगे, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट? सो evaluating the utility of marketing research, right? Next point of your syllabus is about talking about what is the utility of marketing research. Actually we have learned this thing when we were talking about this particular slide, yes, this one, right? When we were talking about the scope of marketing research, we have seen that where the marketing research can be implemented, what are the various areas in which marketing research can be used. So these are the factors which talks about the utility of marketing research. And the point here is that what are the functions of marketing, what are the functions of marketing in which you can use marketing research, and the problems related to those functions in terms of decision making, in terms of solving any issues related to that function can be addressed with the help of marketing research. And what are these things? These things are like market analytics, market analysis. If you are like, if you are not known about what is happening in the market, if you are not known about what is happening in the market, you want to analyze the market, then you can use marketing research function in terms of getting certain outcomes, getting certain facts, getting to know about certain information from the market. अगर कुछ मार्केट के बारे में जानना है, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एज I as a owner of textile manufacturing, like small unit of textile manufacturing, like I have a unit of ready-made garments manufacturing that time, and I would wait, hold on, and I want to know about what is the global market, what are the trends, from where I can buy the things, what is the uh, market size, market share, कितना लोगों ने बेचा है, उसमें top player कौन है. If I want to get answers for those points from market, then I can use market research studies, marketing research studies for getting the answer for this particular issue. So if you want to analyze the market, you can use marketing research. Yes, Samruddhi, bolo.
सर मैं वो यही पूछ रही थी कि यूटिलिटी ऑफ मार्केट रिसर्च में हम स्कोप भी तो डाल सकते हैं ना, मतलब स्कोप भी के पॉइंट्स भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं ना?
But the way we are mentioning is bit different, right? The way we are talking about this, see, utility is about Absolutely, that's about the scope, right? When we discussed about the scope of marketing, I told you it's only about utility, right? But in marketing department, when you want to get answers for certain marketing related things, it's a similar kind of thing. That's the reason I took you all to there also, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
context is bit different. Utility of marketing research is like using marketing research for practically doing marketing research for getting answers is utility, and scope where you can use, right? Where you can use. Here you have to use, then only you will get the answer. Here you have to do that. अगर ये चाहिए
Okay.
तो रिसर्च करना ही पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे कैसा है करना, यहाँ पे कैसा है इन सब एरिया में कर सकते हो, इन सब एरिया में कर सकते हो, राइट? इन सब एरिया में कर सकते हो. एंड हियर you have no any other option. Is there any other option by which you can do market analysis? Is there any other, you can do risk analysis, competitor analysis? What is the way without doing market research, right? So these are few functions without which these are few functions without marketing research you cannot deal with those functions of your business, right? So यहाँ पे market research ही एकमेव solution है आपको, दूसरा कोई option नहीं है, right? Brand analysis, demand analysis, right? So these are the ways in which you talk about the evaluate you talk about the utility of marketing research, right? So competitor analysis करना है, brand analysis करना है, demand analysis करना है, you have to go with the marketing research only. So and see, these are a few things for which you can do marketing research. And along with this, we have talked about consumer research. Along with this, we have talked about knowing your consumers better in terms of their satisfaction, perception, attitude. So many things we have discussed about where you can utilize the marketing research, right? But knowing your customers can be done without marketing research also. You can identify the satisfaction and customers perception about your product without doing market research also, right? Simply पूछो, जरूरत नहीं है उनको, simply पूछो, research करने का जरूरत नहीं है. But analysis में when you talk about quantitative numbers and figures, there you have to uh, do a deep statistical studies and relationship understandings through various procedures, and then it can be done with the help of research only, right? Another thing is like online marketing research. The latest trend of marketing research is about online marketing research. So when you talk about benefits and importance, we all know that it's easy, it's cost worthy, it can apply on a huge large audience simultaneously, right? So marketing research, what are the types of online marketing research? What are the types of online marketing research? See, so there are various things, right? There are various things which are in types of online marketing research. एक मिनट गाइस, मुझे फोन आ रहा है मैडम का, मैं फोन लेता हूँ. Okay, so I was talking to you about online marketing research, right? So what are the types of online marketing research? क्या लगता है आपको क्या क्या होता होगा online marketing research में? There are so many things which happens, right? Don't think that the types of marketing research. सबसे important क्या चीज होती है पता है क्या? Database research. Online marketing. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. सबसे important चीज होती है database research, right? With the help of online surveys, with the help of online applications, websites, you know, at least every day we get one link to give our feedback about anything, right? हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ आ रहा है. जब भी हम कोई परचेस करते हैं प्रोडक्ट, जब भी हम कुछ लाइक करते, विजिट करते, see, online marketing research is there are few types like content marketing research, content oriented marketing research, database oriented marketing research, right? So content marketing में क्या होता है? You search something on Amazon and it gets reflected in your Facebook, right? You must have observed that particular thing. So there are few research uh, which which comes under the online marketing research, which are like content research, database research, profile screening research, psychological profiling of the customers. These few things are being taken care. Psychological profiling in order to understand what is the search engine habit of this customer, what this customers is frequently searching into the database, right? Based on which your interest can be predicted, based on which your understanding about the markets can be predicted, and you will be recommended to those kind of product. करके देखिए, right? करके देखिए, search for something in Google, and then just open your browser. You will automatically get pop-ups of the websites, those which are selling that particular product, right? तो अपने आप pop-ups आएंगे. So it is about understanding customer psychology. If you observe something on, or if you find something on Flipkart and Amazon to purchase, you will get supporting items, you will get commonly purchased item with that. You will get so many information in terms of recommended items for you based on your historical search. So this is all about online marketing research activity, which is there for understanding your audience, understanding your customers, understanding their psychology, understanding the uh, content habits and purchase habits of customers, right? This is all about types of your online marketing research. Then it's like, what are the best practices? Now, best practices, if you talk about, market researchers have to understand the data privacy, right? Market researchers have to understand about somebody's data privacy, uh, and like not using your information provided by you for some commercial benefits than your own. Like for example, if you create your profile on Facebook, and the Facebook is selling your entire information to like tens lakhs of people's information to some other companies, like Facebook sells your data to Flipkart, Amazon, and for that matter YouTube, to send you the notifications of their products and all. So like these are some things which talks about best practices that managers, those who are into online research, has to take care, right? And there are few things that you need to also consider, that there are few things which you need to consider when you talk about uh, ethics related to the ethics related to your online marketing, right? So we have to deal in the information content which is socially acceptable, right? We have to deal in the content which is being socially acceptable. We should never have any controversial things to be promoted and marketed, right? And there are few pitfalls into the online marketing researchers. What are the pitfalls of online marketing research? Right, this marketing research can fire back
So
you.
you are not audible.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was talking to you about pitfalls, right? Pitfalls means what are the shortfalls, what are the disadvantages of online marketing research. So online marketing research is something, is very difficult to understand its impact, right? We never know.
So again, you are not.
Just a second, I will switch off my camera. Right, okay. Am I audible now?
Yes.
So pitfalls means what? Pitfalls means the disadvantage, right? Cons of the cons of the online activities. क्या हो सकता है? What are the disadvantages of online marketing research? Disadvantages क्या क्या है? Is it trustworthy thing? Can you trust the feedbacks given by the people which are on the Amazon? How much you can trust, right? So it's always considered as the information with some higher error of responses, higher error of biasness, right? So the pitfalls are like trustworthiness. These pitfalls are like the relevance of the information, right? If you find out about the products on Amazon, you never know what kind of feedbacks and responses people have given, and sometimes, though you have nothing to do with that product, you just are going and giving the feedback. So you must have came across to the situation where so many uh, Instagram celebrities have been called by the uh, police and investigation IS, cybercrime investigation departments. Just पीछे एक 2-3 महीने के पहले स्टोरी हुआ था, आप लोगों को अगर याद है तो, और स्टोरी वाज रिलेटेड टू creating the fake likes and shares on their own post and creating fake list of followers by the celebrities, Instagram celebrities. अच्छे अच्छे लोगों के नाम आए थे, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा उनका, गूगल करके देख लो. It was related to increasing your followers on Instagram deliberately. आप खुद लोगों को बिठा के लाइक करवा रहे हो, लोगों के प्रोफाइल हैक करके लाइक करवा रहे हो, उनका शेयर करवा रहे हो. You are creating your own Instagram brand by misusing the information of other people, right? मेरे नाम से
सर जब हैक करके करेंगे तब तो,
सॉरी
सर वो हैक करके जो करते हैं उसके लिए वो केस हुआ होगा ना. लाइक फेक तो सर काफी लोग करते हैं, बट हैक करने में तो डिफरेंस होता है ना.
करके लाइक कराना एक अलग चीज है, और लोगों को पैसे
Yes, sir.
देके खुद होके उनके पास जाके या फिर 100 रुपीज पर लाइक देके 50 रुपए पर शेयर देके करवा के लेना अलग चीज है, राइट? बिग पीपल डज इट बिकॉज दे गेट वेरी ह्यूज मनी फ्रॉम द इंस्टाग्राम काइंड ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स फॉर देयर पोस्टिंग. सो रूरल में या फिर किसी स्लम एरिया में जाके आप वहां पे लोगों को इंटेंशनली यू आर क्रिएटिंग द चैनल्स ऑफ टेकिंग लाइक्स फॉर यू, या फिर सोशल मीडिया का प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करके ही लोगों को अपील करना और आपके शेयर्स एंड लाइक्स बढ़ा लेना. दैट काइंड ऑफ माल प्रैक्टिसेस आर बीइंग डन इनटू दैट फील्ड, राइट? थोड़ा सा गूगल करिए, यू विल गेट टू नो द एंटायर मैटर. सो
Yes, sir.
that way there are so many pitfalls of creating false information, right? We cannot trust the information given on the internet so easily, and it will be very easy to create the fake kind of products, fake kind of marketing strategies for the products that you are offering to the customers. So piracy, duplicacy, issues related to your intellectual property rights, that is something which is always on stake when you talk about the online marketing research, right? So in terms of benefits, it is like less costly, it has very huge reach, it can be targeting multiple audiences beyond the geographies at a similar